How to fix new tab most visited icons missing in Chrome 69. FYI, the new NTP, new tab page, layout uses icons instead of website thumbnails. This is a major change in the new design. The same layout is used on mobile Chrome. In addition, the redesigned NTP page offers two new features. 1. Change background. Click the wheel icon on the bottom right to choose a background image for the NTP page. You may upload your own or choose from a list offered from Google. 2. Create your own link shortcuts. First off, make sure you are using Chrome 69 or the latest one. To check this, click the Chrome 3-dot menu icon, then choose Help about Google Chrome. Reload the page to check for a new version. Shortcuts, please close and restart Chrome. For advanced users only, try 2, 3, 4, 2. Set Chrome //flag/ NTP icons to enabled. 3. Try reverting to the old thumbnails by disabling this two flags. Chrome //flag/ NTP icons Chrome //flag/ NTP custom links 4. Copy/paste this into the address bar, Chrome //flag/ use Google local NTP. Choose disabled, plan B, enable. Note, these are experimental flags, not user options. They can and will be let in subject of change/removal in an upcoming version of Chrome. 5. Scan your system for potential viruses/malware with the recommended Avast Internet Security. More, try going to Chrome/extensions and disabling all your extensions, and retest to see if the new tab page returns to normal. Set Google as home page or set to open a new tab on startup by going to Chrome/settings/. On startup choose your own option. 6. Zooming out about 80% in Chrome new tab page might make 8 thumbnails appear again. 7. Reset Chrome settings to default. 8. Delete another thumbnail and then scroll down. You should see 2 links. One to restore that site, one to restore all sites you've ever hidden.